Hello guys! Meron na naman tayo panibagong produkto, No-Rinse Cleansing Mousse. So, ang flavor nito is honey peach scent. So, no rinse, ibig sabihin, di na siya kailangang paliguan, okay? So, 200 ml ang laki nito. And syempre, wash-free. So, odor removal, non-toxic, can be used to pregnant cats and pets. Fruit scents, okay? Especially okay ito sa mga pusang ayaw maligo. Dense and fine foam. Yan. So the hair is not easily tangled. Pwede siya sa foot. Pwede din siya sa head, guys. So number 1, plant extract of lemon eucalyptus leaf. Sabihin, anti-dampness, anti-itch, and therapeutic effect. And number 2, their herbal extract. Specially extracted plant essential oils against disease and insects. Number 3, version detergency factor. Amino acid surfactant enhance cleaning effect. Ang ganda nito. So, kuha na kayo. Kung may mga alaga kayo, yung mga cute na ating mga pet.